competition? Go.
I'm Vikram, contestant number 1. I'm really excited about eating some pies. Almost as excited as I am about going to see Titus Andronicus.
Yeah! I'm Johnny, I'm contestant number 2, and I share Vikram's feelings about this pie and Titus Andronicus. Excited about both.
I'm Tom, I'm contestant number 3, and I can't wait to eat some pie in honour of the new fabulous play Titus Andronicus, which is going to be fabulous.
My name's Matt, I'm contestant number 4. I love being face down in meat, so I've come to this pie.
Hi, I'm Shagina, contestant number 5, and I'm really excited about eating pie and watching you play next week.
Hi, I'm Nedry, I'm contestant number 6. I'm excited about the pie, the food.
We have some Scotch pies, 29 of them, and 6 contestants. Who can eat the most will win. Woo! Okay, let's take them out.
Can we go?
No, it's my cue.
We have lots of thoughts.
No, you haven't. We will at some point in the future. Get ready, set, go!
Shorty, get down, good Lord. Baby, gotta worry all over time. Drink me this, you don't play around. Cover much ground, got game over time. There is a forte, long as she's right. Gotta get her out of my mind. I think about the girl all the time. East side to the west side. She that right, just no surprise. She got tricks on the cash, stacking up the cash. That's when it comes to the gas. By no means that way. She's got to have it.
Seriously, I put money
I
on
think about the girl all the time. Like the way you work it, no diggity. I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I got to bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. I gotta bag it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity. Bag it up. She's got class and style, knowledge by the pound. Living up my mind, very low key on the profile. Suspicion isn't law. Let me tell you how it goes. Relatives turn so freak what you heard. You don't even know what the hack is. You got to pay to play. Just a shorty man had to look your way. I like the way you work it. Shine on every day. Blow my mind, baby, in time. Baby, I can get you in my ride. I like the way you work it. I like the way you work it. I got to back it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to back it up. I like the way you work it. No diggity. I got to back it up. Said hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Hey ya, that girl looks fine. Hey ya, play on, play on, play on. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. She's my kind of girl. Oh yeah. It's just dangerous. Here we are now. Entertain us. Entertain us. Entertain us.
My name is Susie. I'm here today with Emma, the director of Titus Andronicus. So, could you tell us a little bit about the play?
Yeah, it's disgusting. It's Shakespeare's goriest tragedy. There is rape and mutilation and murder and cannibalism left, right and centre. It's about a guy who comes back to Rome from war and watches his family be picked off one by one. But it's really funny. It's got your mum joke.
Well, this sounds absolutely fantastic. And how is the whole production going? How is the whole, the rehearsals?
Yeah, really well, but 7 days till opening night, so we're all feeling a little bit tense, but normal pre-performance nerves. It's going really well. I'm really excited.
And when is the play going to be performed?
On the 9th and 10th of March, that's week 9, Wednesday and Thursday.
Fantastic. Okay, so I'm here with Tom, our own very Titus Andronicus. So Tom, how did you find it coping with the role?
It's a really good role. I'm really glad to be playing it. It's a difficult role, of course. It's a lot of kind of big issues in the play, so kind of rape, mutilation, things like that. But it's a really good play. It's fantastic to be involved, and I'm really happy. And it's going to be a great play, so everyone should come and see it. So
apart from the rape, how did you overcome the problem of the whole theme of mutilation in the play?
Well, I don't know. It's just kind of difficult. I had to go to the doctor. They had to chop off my hand. Then I had to kind of get to terms with that, and that was quite difficult.
So you're quite committed. You're quite committed to the production, yes?
Yeah, no. It's been a difficult few weeks, and I've cried myself to sleep many nights. But actually, it's proven to be one of the best experiences of my life.
So this is Sophie. She's playing Lavinia in Titus Andronicus. How does it feel to have your tongue cut out? And okay. And how are you finding the production?
Hey, I'm Aaron. It's going to be epic. Come and watch it. Leamington, the Assembly. Ronan.
I'm Ronan. I'm playing Saturninus. I'm so excited and I just can't hide it. And we will be in the Assembly next week, so come and check it out.
Be there.